Hello everyone, my name is Babaljit Kaur. I'm a current student of MSIT at New York Institute of Technology. This is my last semester with NYIT. This course provides me a lots of opportunity to know about different technological instruments, websites, applications, and software that I can use in my teaching to make learning more exciting and innovative. In this presentation, I'm going to share one of my best learning throughout this course, that is MergeCube. So in this presentation, I present why I think this is the best and what are the impact of MergeCube on educations. Come with me. My best project that I ever created is workshop. I created this workshop MergeCube in a course called Foundation 1 Philosophy and Technology of Educations. This workshop is created by using a platform called academichosting.ca. This platform is created by our college, and as you can see, I use these different lessons to cover all the aspects about the MergeCube, like what is the MergeCube, how we can use it, what kind of different mobile application is used for MergeCube, and how we can use that, how you can create your own MergeCube at home, such kind of lessons. So I created this workshop for grade level 6 to 8. I gave my best to create this workshop and I did a lots of hard work. Right now I'm explaining why I consider this workshop is best. As we all know, in this technological era, students are not like to learn from the books, to read the books. So in this scenario, MergeCube is the best option that completely fulfill all students' need by turning their passive learning into active, because it helps to engage students in the different classroom activities. It's not wrong if I call this cube is a magical cube, because when I saw it for the very first time, then it completely looked like a magic for me. Before this, I never see such kind of device. Moreover, it helped to engage students in classroom activities. For example, as a teacher, if I teach a topic by using textbook or by showing them a video, then sometimes students feel bored in the, so MergeCube helps them to seeing the object in real, to capture their attention toward the activities, toward the topic. Secondly, MergeCube is a device that shows 3D image of the pictures to the students. While seeing pictures or while looking the videos, students only see the 2D pictures. But with the help of MergeCube, they can hold the objects in their hand. As you can see in the picture, a student hold a full solar system in his hand that give him the clear picture what our solar system actually look like. Apart from that, this is the best because it's cost friendly. It costs only from $15 to $30. You can buy it from any store. We already discussed my best learning, that is MergeCube, and why I consider this one is the best. Now it's very obvious to arise question in your mind, then what is actually MergeCube? What is it? So MergeCube is a black and silver physical cube that has unusual pattern on each side. As you can see in the pictures, there is pattern on each side of the cube. It works by interacting with the various MergeCube apps that you have to download in your Android or iOS phone that transform cube into canvas, where it entail the solar system, the human body, and the aquarium and different kind of object that you can see with the help of MergeCube and the application that you downloaded in your mobile phone. MergeCube is STEM-based hardware that provides STEM-based augmented reality experience in classroom. It helps to engage students in science and STEM with 3D object and simulations that students can touch, hold, and interact. It also helps students to understand the complex science and STEM concept effectively. For example, if a teacher want to show them that kind of experiment that is not possible to conduct in classroom, that with the help of merge cube it become very easy for an educators. And there are some devices that is needed to show their working in the classroom. That merge cube is the best options to use in classroom to show them how actually that works. MergeCube expands STEM program with hand-on mixed reality. It helps to broaden STEM offering with projects that use mixed reality technology to unlock new ways to learn, create, and share. MergeCube collaborate remotely with STEM projects that students can do at homes. In this pandemic, it become very hard for the students to get practical knowledge from the remote classes. They could do any project better in the classroom activity as compared to remote learning. But MergeCube can help them to experience in real. They just need only a merge cube and a mobile phone and see any kind of objects that is not possible by looking at the pictures or by seeing the videos. The use of merge cube in classroom is totally changed the way of teaching. There are so many topics that become hard for a teacher to explain in classroom just by reading a book or by showing a video or just showing a pictures. For example, the working of human heart or different parts of human body, aquarian animals. Merge Cube totally solves such kind of problems by introducing Merge Cube in classroom. Students can completely see the process of human hearts, how actually human heart works. They can hold human heart in their hand just with the help of merge cube. So merge cube is the device that turned teacher into tech star.